Alright, today we're going to shoot our Folmer Graflex 8x10 camera. It's about a 1915 model. Picked it up on Craigslist, did a little work to it, made a new custom back to accept some vintage Kodak film holders. Today we're going to be shooting RC paper instead of film. I want to make sure that I fixed all the light leaks and I got everything working. I'm up here at one of my favorite places. Oh, by the way, it's minus 15 Fahrenheit out here today. It's very cold. There's nobody else out. I figured it was a good day to come up here. I'm at a place called Beckman Mill. It's in Beloit, Wisconsin. Come up here and take quite a few pictures. It's a great place. I'll spin it around here and let you take a look. So this is Beckman Mill. It's an old grist mill. There's a pond, dam. It still does operate, though it's just for a museum now. But it's a very photogenic place. Beautiful day up here, as you can see. Not a cloud in the sky. Very cold, very crisp. Actually, I don't mind this kind of weather. Kind of crazy. We're going to take some pictures today. There's the beast. She's a mahogany Folmer Graflex 8x10 view camera. Hooked it up with a 19-inch Degar lens here. RTAR, excuse me. It's an RTAR 19-inch f11. Quite a beautiful camera. Quite a setup. I'm going to stop recording here for a minute and I'm going to take some pictures because my fingers are freezing cold. So we'll be right back. Well, apparently 13 below is the limit for an iPhone because it died while I was out there trying to record the capture with the new Folmer Graflex camera. So here I am back in the darkroom. I got my phone recharged up, brought the negatives down here, and we're going to give it a shot here in the darkroom and see what we get. Well, the paper negatives were a success. This was the very first shot. This was a 4-second exposure. You can see some pretty good detail. Pretty high contrast, which I guess I expected with the paper. There's not a lot of latitude for grays in this paper when you use it as a negative. But it's actually not too shabby. This is the second shot. This is an 8-second exposure. You can see there's quite a bit more exposure on this, but it's still a decent negative. I'm going to wash these. I'm going to make some contact prints, see what those look like as well. But overall, a great experiment.